Ignoring questions just isn't good science. This is a clip where just some ignored questions are asked to today's physicists. Sabine Hossenfelder made a compelling video on her academic career and some sociology and its drawbacks for the physicist community. A link is in the description. As you might have noticed, I am not surprised by her story. In time, over the generations, the scientific method will probably be victorious. But in the short term, ideas and people are sacrificed for money, status and power. Nothing new here. For the pure scientist, it stings. Questions may come from all directions and should be met with the attempt to answer them. Ignoring a question is just not proper science. It may be convenient and it may save someone's image, but it isn't pretty. Again, here are some questions that should not be ignored, yet are. I know I keep stressing them, but they are so foundational. Why don't we look for underlying complete machinery for our symmetries that describe the standard model of physics? Why don't we look for complete machinery for nature, period? Something must have the properties we experience. Something must allow for the man-made laws of physics. If you are not sure, you know what complete machinery is, a definition is in the description below. And again, laws of nature are man-made tools to help us. Laws of nature do not help nature. Nature does not need laws of nature. Nature just is and has its properties. We infer laws from those properties to help ourselves. Why do we ignore the absence of proper definitions for number, infinity, and continuity? Why don't we do the research that is proposed in the book in the description below? If you put these questions to, for instance, ChatGPT, you will be amazed by the simplicity of the definitions it comes up with, as it is fed by the current state of affairs. People like Norman Wildberger have also, on more than one occasion, dealt with the types of answers that are given by current mathematics, dismissing them by proper argument, to the land of fairies and gnomes. There are, of course, many more questions of a slightly less fundamental nature on subjects such as black holes, dark matter, dark energy, and unifying general relativity and quantum mechanics. But these questions depend on proper foundations for mathematics, as well as for physics, for more trustworthy answers. Let us not ignore any of these questions. And as always, I'm here to answer any of your questions.